Hello bachcho, let's see the question. What is true about Taenia saginata? So Taenia saginata is commonly known as the beef tapeworm. So it is a tapeworm. It means it is a member of phylum Platyhelminthes. It means it has a dorso-ventrally flattened body. And here it has two hosts. It means it is a digenetic parasite involving two hosts. So the primary host is the human, where it lives in its small intestine, and the secondary host is the cattle or the buffaloes. So secondary host is also known as the intermediate host. So it is cattle or buffalo in case of Taenia saginata. So we have to find out the correct statement with respect to Taenia saginata. So first is life history has pig as intermediate host. So now I told you that its secondary or intermediate host is the cattle or buffalo. So pig is not acting as a host here. It acts as a host in case of the another species named Taenia solium. So this is discarded. Now there are two large suckers on the scolex. And if we look at the structure of the Taenia, then its body has three regions, and these are the scolex, then a neck, and from the neck region arise the segments which are called the strobili. So these are the three parts of the body of a Taenia. Taenia is actually having segmentation, but these segmentations are only on the external side, so it shows pseudometamerism because the segments here are the false, because they do not develop during the embryonic period and these are from external side only. So pseudometamerism is exhibited by Taenia. So at the scolex region, so this is the scolex region. Now there is a neck, and from this neck arise a number of segments, and these segments are called the strobili. So this is neck. The upper part is scolex. Now this scolex has the suckers for attachment. Now in other species of Taenia such as Taenia solium, what happens that there is a conical structure at the scolex region, and this is called the rostellum. And this rostellum has hooks for the attachment. But here in case of Taenia saginata, there are no rostellar and the rostellar hook. So rostellar hooks, rostellum is nothing but it is a pointed conical structure at the upper end of the scolex which is having the two rows of hooks. So these are hooks. But in case of Taenia saginata, there is no rostellum and no hooks are there. So rostellar hooks are absent, so it is right. Now it has two large suckers on the scolex, but actually it has four large suckers. So number of suckers is actually 4. So it is false. Now the rostellum has double circles of hook. So this is wrong with respect to this species, because there is no rostellum in case of Taenia saginata. So the only right statement here with respect to Taenia saginata is option C. It means here there is no rostellum and no hooks are there. So option C is the right answer. I hope it is clear. All the best.